Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 12.2 question number 2. Express the following numbers in usual form. Let us express the following numbers in usual form. Number 1 here you see is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. That can be written as 302. Here there is 6, that means 1 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can be written as 0.0000302. Right? That is, let us count the numbers from 3 point. Right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? It is right. That is 0.0000302. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 4.5. 4.5 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4. That can be written as 4.5. 4.5 into 10 to the power 4 means 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. We multiply 4.5 with this, that is 4, 5. And how many zeros? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a point here. Point. This zero will cut. The weight will be 4, 5. 4, 5, 0, 0, 0. It is 45,000. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. 10 to the power minus 8. Therefore we are getting 8. It will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. Right? Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 1.1.0001 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 9. That can be written as 1. Point is here 0, 0, 0, 1. That means we are counting the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many zeros are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? This is question number 4. Now question number 5 can be written as, question number 5 is 5.8. 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. We'll count from this number 8. 5.8 is 5. 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? How many zeros are there? You count it here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 0.8 here, that is 12. Right? That means we are getting 11 zeros. 11 zeros. Right? Now question number 6 you are here you see is question number 6 is written all these form in usual form, that is 3.1, 3.16, 3.16492 492 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. That means we are getting 3, 1, 6, 4, 9, 2, 6. Point is here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 0 will be there. 3, 1, 3, 3, 3.61. This is not right. Let us write it again. This is actually 3.61. Let us write it again. Let us write question number 5. Question number 5 is 3.61. 3.6161 492 492 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. Therefore, we are getting 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2. Right? That means from here you will count. See from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? This is the result from 3614920. In this way, you have to write the usual form. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.